Hello, I'm Robyn Kennedy and I'm a nurse practitioner in dermatology. In my clinical practice, I see lots of kids and teenagers experiencing unique skin challenges that can lead to dry, chapped lips. Today I'm partnering with Dermal Therapy to introduce you to their lip balm that provides the perfect solution for young lips, offering intense hydration and protection with visible results in just one day. The common causes that I see of dry lips in kids and teens is exposure to harsh weather conditions, especially when playing sport in the wind, the cold and the sun. The other common habit is lip licking, which can strip natural moisture from the lips. Ironically, the lip licking often starts when the lips feel dry, and then the dryness is exacerbated by the lip licking. So it's a bit of a vicious cycle. Braces and orthodontic appliances also cause irritation and dryness around the mouth. Some acne medications do as well, and that's when you really need to get onto a lip balm. Dermal Therapy's original lip balm is my go-to recommendation for these patients. They need to have it in their pocket and they need to be applying it several times daily to their lips. Dermal Therapy lip balm is dermatologist recommended and it quickly soothes and heals dry, chapped lips by increasing lip moisture and providing an effective barrier. This concentrated formula has vitamin E and 2.5% urea, which helps keep the lips soft and free from flaky skin, making it effective for ongoing use. Ensure your child or teenager has the best lip care available. Dermal Therapy Lip Balm is available nationwide in Coles and Woolies and in all major pharmacy chains.